The notes of the Lydian mode may be derived from the fourth scale degree of a corresponding major scale. In other words, the fourth scale degree of any major scale may be considered the first scale degree of a Lydian mode. Seeing how the fourth scale degree of a C major scale is the note F natural, playing all of the notes in the key of C major from the note F to the next F one octave above is therefore considered to be F Lydian. In that same respect, the fourth scale degree of a G major scale is the note C. Starting on the note C and playing all of the notes in the key of G major until the next C one octave above results in a C Lydian scale. The notes of the Lydian mode are very similar to the notes of an Aeolian mode or major scale. To change the notes of a major scale to that of a Lydian mode, simply raise the fourth scale degree by one half step. For example, looking at the notes of a D major scale, we can see that the fourth scale degree is the note G. If we raise that one half step to the note G sharp, we will have changed the scale from D major to D Lydian. If we raise the fourth scale degree of an E major scale from the note A natural to the note A sharp, we would then be playing an E Lydian scale. Raising the fourth scale degree of any major scale will result in creating the notes of Lydian mode. Similar to the modes discussed in the previous videos, the Lydian mode may also be constructed by following its unique pattern of whole steps and half steps. The pattern of steps above any note which produces the Lydian mode is whole step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step. Let's use this pattern of steps to construct an A Lydian mode. Starting on the note A, one whole step takes you to the note B. Another whole step above B is the note C sharp. One more whole step above C sharp is the note D sharp. A half step from D sharp is the note E. The notes E and F sharp are separated by a whole step. F sharp to the note G sharp is also a whole step. And finally, a half step above the note G sharp is the note A. By following this pattern of steps, we will be able to construct a Lydian mode above any given note. In the next video, we are going to discuss the fifth mode in our series, the Mixolydian mode.